What's up guys, Justin here with the SketchUpEssentials.com, back with another SketchUp extension overview for you. So this week we're going to check out an extension that allows you to create actual flooring as geometry in your SketchUp models. So this looks a lot more realistic, and it's got a lot of cool possibilities for things like rendering, that sort of thing. So this week's extension was selected by my Patreon supporters. As most of you know, my Patreon supporters get to vote every week on the extension that I cover. So if you're interested in doing that, maybe supporting the show, if you like what I'm doing in this channel, make sure you check out that link in the notes down below. So this week's extension, selected by my Patreon supporters, is Floor Generator. Plugin name, Floor Generator. Plugin developer, Sam D. Mitch. Plugin cost, it's free. Where can you get it? You can download it from the Sketchucation plugin store by visiting the link in the notes down below. Tool functions. This extension allows you to generate flooring as actual geometry in your models. This means you can create tiles that actually have thickness, along with brick, wood floors, and many other options. One item of particular note is the ability to generate clapboard or building siding on vertical faces. All the floor types have editable input, including being able to set length, width, spacing between objects, offsets, and more. You can also adjust the orientation of the items you've selected by both 45 and 90 degrees. You can adjust your material either by applying the current active material in SketchUp to your model, applying random colors, or by selecting random textures from a custom folder. This is especially powerful because it's randomly applying a texture from a folder to each one of the objects, so nothing's being repeated, so there's no tiling. You can also adjust your textures with this extension. Theoretically, you can adjust the size of your textures, though I haven't had a lot of success getting that to work, but you can adjust the rotations of your textures, as well as allowing you the ability to randomize the rotation of your textures. You can add bevels and random imperfections to anything you create to make it look more realistic as well. This also includes the ability to create each object as an individual group. Overall, this seems to be a very interesting extension for both floor and wall generation in SketchUp. It seems like you have to be careful how much geometry you create, because it could really slow down your model, but it seems like this could be super interesting for rendering and other applications. That's where I'm going to end today's video. Leave a comment, let me know what you thought. What do you think of this extension? Is it something you want to try? Do you have some cool ideas for what you can do with it? I just love having that SketchUp conversation with you guys. If you like this video, please remember to click that like button down below. If you're new around here, remember to click that subscribe button for new SketchUp content every week. If you like what I'm doing in this channel, please consider supporting me on Patreon. Every little bit helps, even if it's only $1 a month. But in any case, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this. I really appreciate it, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks, guys.